thanks to your support, we will be able to support 100 families today affected by the explosions. Lebanese, Syrians, Palestinians, everyone. We're going to be able to distribute 100 hygiene kits and 100 food parcels to these families.
Today we're working with Food Blast for distributing hygiene kits from SAMS, donated from SAMS, and food parcels donated from Food Blast. We're distributing for 100 families for the people that were affected in the Beirut blast. What we have in the hygiene kit is 2 chlor bottles, 2 hygiene, 1 feminine pad, and we still want to put 4 face masks that are washable, reusable,